Hey, it's Joe from StayFitAnywhere, where I help you move freely, feel amazing so you can live your best life. So it's all about mobility, and if you didn't catch a video on how to create one of these little peanuts, I show you how to do it in under 2 minutes, and this is going to cost you under $4. But this is an amazing tool. I carry it with me everywhere because one, it's portable and it's easy to use. So today I'm going to show you a few exercises you can use with just this self-care tool and help you start feeling amazing. This first one, all you need is a chair or a couch, it doesn't really matter. Preferably something that doesn't have too much cushioning, because then you're going to defeat the purpose of using this peanut to kind of help massage and break down some scar tissue or some muscle tension. So here, what you want to do, place it right underneath your glute, so right where the butt meets the back of the hamstring. So the hamstring and the glute where they meet. So just want to place it right in that position. Cross your legs over if you're able to. From here, just going to gently press down and then come back up. Press down, and as you're pressing down, exhale. So it kind of helps you relax and release that tension even more, so the peanut gets a chance to kind of dig into the muscles and help release that tension quicker. Then I say do this on both sides, so you want to do it for probably 30 seconds to a minute to really help reinforce that mobility. So this one's going to be for your low back. And I know a lot of guys have been complaining about some tension or some stiffness and achy low backs. So this one hopefully will help reduce or relieve some of that stiffness and soreness. So what you want to do with this peanut is have it on either side of the spine. So we're going to be hitting these two stabilizers called multifidus on either side of your spine. So this is where the peanut goes. So what you want to do is place it right above your hip into the low back area, and gently lower yourself onto the peanut. Brace with your elbows because you don't want to be going too quickly. You want to kind of listen to your body, see how this feels. This is all you can get down to. That's perfectly okay. Just want to breathe, 15 to 30 seconds, and then get up. So from there, if you're able to come all the way down onto your back, you can either lay in this position for 15, 30, up to a minute, or you can raise your hips slightly and just slowly rock back and forth, kind of like you're massaging into those muscles. But always listen to your body. And just so you guys know, I have a mini mobility program focused on your lower body, your hips, knees, and ankles, to hopefully help relieve any joint pains. So I'll leave that in the descriptions below. So for this one, you're going to put this peanut on the back of your knee, and you raise your leg up gently, and then pull your leg towards you slowly. Just give it a little bit of pressure. You don't want to be yanking on it too hard because you don't want to cause too much discomfort. And from here, you're going to be hitting the top of your calf and the bottom of your hamstring. What this is going to do is hopefully also help relieve some knee pressure and knee pain. You want to just kind of pull it in for 3 to 5 seconds, right? And then kind of release. And then bring it back 3 to 5 seconds. Take your nice deep breaths, and then release. So give that one a try. This next one's for all you runners, or maybe not just runners, but it's really great for your IT band. So this one, you're going to be placing it right in your outer thigh, right below your pelvic bone. So where your hip is, right below there, into your outer thigh. For some of you, this might be really uncomfortable. So just take it easy, lower yourself gently, right, by bracing with your hands first onto this. It's kind of like you're foam rolling your IT band. So from here, same thing, you want to relax, just take a few deep breaths, and then move on to the next area. You can also rock back and forth a little bit, just like we did before when you're kneading the muscle. And then once you're done that, move it down a little further. just go all the way down the line. You don't want to be putting it right on your joint, so don't put it on your knee at any point, right? So just along your IT band and your outer thigh. But don't keep it on there for too long, because you're going to start aggravating the muscles too much. So you just want to do it slowly, and then 3 to 5 seconds, move on to the next area. If you have any questions about this one, leave me a comment below. There you have it, a handful of exercises to hopefully help you loosen up your body by using a simple self-care tool like this. This is homemade. Like I said, if you missed the video of how I created this, pretty easy, 2 tennis balls, duct tape. So this is a very great tool. It's portable, bring it anywhere, and it's going to really help to loosen up certain areas of the body if you feel tension or stiffness or any kind of scar tissue that's building up. But if there's underlying issues, go see your physician, a medical professional, to make sure they diagnose it, and then come back to this video to help you keep on maintaining that mobility. And I have a mini mobility program just focused on the lower body, your hips, knees, and ankles. I'll leave that in the descriptions below. But now I'm going to leave you with some body weight exercises you can use right now to strengthen up those joints.